Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. Hello, how are you? What's been up, guys? I'm very happy to see you again in this English program. Today, we are going to discuss about something very common, greeting. Kita akan membahas tentang greeting. Greeting itu adalah sapaan ya. Jadi kalau akan lebih sopan kalau kita ketemu orang apalagi yang belum dikenal kita greeting. Ketemu guru kita greeting. Greeting itu menyapa. In Indonesia biasanya kita ketemu guru, selamat pagi Pak, selamat pagi Bu. Apa kabar kalau ketemu teman ya. So we are going to learn how to greet in English. Bagaimana cara kita menyapa dalam bahasa Inggris. Not sometimes, we always, almost always, ya. Kita selalu, and it's a little bit getting boring because we do it over and over again. Say, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you always like that. It is my own experience. Ini pengalaman saya pribadi selama di SMP sampai SMA. Guru bahasa Inggris datang selalu bilang, how are you guys? Fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Let's get started. Selalu seperti itu ya. Apa kabar? Baik-baik Bu, Pak. Dan Anda? Saya juga baik-baik. Mari kita mulai pelajaran. It's always like that. Hour and hour again. Remind me, mengingatkan saya pada this is a little bit story. My self story, ini cerita pribadi ya tentang something that we do it too much. Kita melakukan sesuatu repeatedly, ya berulang-ulang, and it is too much. When I was junior high school, saat saya masih SMP, I still remember, saya masih ingat, it was bahasa Indonesia. So my teacher name is Mr. Tugimin. I still remember, ya, guru bahasa Inggris saya namanya Pak Tugimin. My Indonesian teacher is Mr. Tugimin. One day, suatu hari, Mr. Tugimin, Pak Tugimin, ask us, meminta kami, ya, to make an homework, PR, ya. To make a story, ya, short story, cerita pendek, ya, make short story, daily activities, kegiatan sehari-hari, daily activities, ya, kegiatan sehari-hari, daily. I think I have to make it little bit thicker, like it's okay, daily, not why, daily activity, ya, saya diminta untuk mengarang, ya, about daily activity from the time I get up, dari mulai get up, bangun, get up, until sleep. Ini sleep, tidur ya, dari mulai bangun sampai tidur. And I was make a joke, saya membuat joke, lelucon, ya. I want to do something different and that's stupid, really. Ini saya ingin membuat sesuatu yang lain dan itu little bit silly atau stupid itu bodoh, ya. But it was fun for me, at least in my age, dan itu menyenangkan buat saya, paling tidak di zamannya, di zaman saya masih SMP. I want to make the conjunction. Saya ingin membuat kata hubungnya itu always the same, selalu sama. Ya, so I was make it like this. Saya dulu bikinnya seperti ini. Saya bangun tidur, I was wake up in Indonesia ya. Saya bangun tidur, lalu saya mandi, lalu saya sholat, lalu saya sarapan, lalu saya ganti baju, lalu saya sekolah, lalu saya mengikuti pelajaran, lalu istirahat sampai lalu sampai lalu saya tidur terakhir. And you know what? Kalian tahu apa? My book, buku saya ending in a dustbin, berakhir di tempat sampah. For me it was funny, untuk saya itu lucu dulu, but Now I'm a teacher. Sekarang saya guru, and I can understand why a teenager, anak-anak muda, teenager itu 11 ya, teenager itu anak belasan tahun, doing something silly, like I was kadang-kadang melakukan sesuatu yang bodoh ya, seperti saya dulu juga. Oke. Why I tell you this story? Kenapa saya menceritakan kisah ini? I just want give you an idea. Saya hanya ingin memberi Anda atau kalian tentang ide bahwa something is repeated over and over again. Sesuatu yang diulang-ulang terus, it's boring. It's kind of boring. Itu membosankan. And now we used to use how are you to greeting. How are you? And it is overused, dan ini sudah terlalu banyak digunakan. Now we have to find another alternative to say, how are you? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? We always do that. And one of the alternative is, how have you been? This is the casual one. Yeah, the casual one. So I will make the alternative. First alternative is the casual. Casual itu tidak resmi, ya, tidak resmi. How have you been? Atau how are you doing? Boleh juga. How are you doing? Okay, because this materi will be better is. I have a partner. Materi ini akan lebih baik kalau saya punya partner. So today I have assistant. Jadi hari ini saya punya asisten. Ladies and gentlemen, I present my assistant. This is my assistant. Introduce my assistant. This is Google Assistant. So sometimes it is very useful to use this assistant. Ya, kadang-kadang kita ini sangat berguna kalau kita memiliki asisten like Google. It just feels like Plankton with Karen or Jarvis with Iron Man. Saya kadang-kadang merasa seperti Iron Man dan Jarvisnya. Ini saya sempat carikan tadi Iron Man dengan Jarvis. Iron Man and Jarvis. This is my Jarvis and Plankton with the Karen. This lovely Karen. I think if you enjoy SpongeBob, you know this character. Oke. Nah, saya pikir kalau ini seperti Karen ya dengan Plankton ya, atau seperti Jarvis dengan Iron Man. Let's say hello to Google. How are you doing? What she will answer? How are you doing?
Not too shabby at all, thanks. How can I help?
Not so shabby. Oh, thanks. How can I help? We can get a huge list of category of
the top search results.
Top search result. Oh, she always answered. Hey, hello. What is your real name?
The name's Assistant. Google Assistant.
So her name is Assistant. Google Assistant. Okay, back to the materi. How are you doing? You can, if you say how are you doing, if someone say how are you doing to you, kalau seseorang bilang how are you doing padamu, kamu bisa menjawabnya I'm doing right, or I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Jadi ini adalah alternatif untuk kita biar tidak bosan ya. Always how are you, how are you doing? I'm doing well. I'm doing right. It will be polite if you end it with thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing right, thanks. I am doing right. Thanks, I'm good. It's okay, I'm good, but it's grammatically wrong. Jadi secara grammar itu salah, tapi it's okay, I'm doing good. How have you been? This is another alternative. How have you been? How have you been? It's another alternative. If you want to get alternative answer, you can use assistant. Let's find out. How have you been?
I'm doing great. What can I do for you?
I'm doing great. What can I do for you? I'm doing great. I am doing...
That's what I was about to say. We're really on the same wavelength.
Okay, thank you. In the same wavelength. We are really on the same wavelength. Kita benar-benar pada frekuensi yang sama, panjang gelombang yang sama. Jadi it is a little bit scientific. Ini kelihatan lebih scientific. Jadi kalau kalian ingin kelihatan scientific, you can say we are really on the same wavelength. That's good. We are. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. To show agreement, yeah, she said we were. Oh, ini we are juga ya. We are really on the same wavelength. In the same wavelength. It sounds more scientific. Kita berada pada frekuensi yang sama, in the same frequency, or we are really in the same wavelength. It's more scientific. So you can use Google Assistant to find a lot of ways to say how are you and how to answer it. Another example, if we were another, what's new? We can also use what's new. Kita juga bisa bilang what's new biar nggak bosan ya. What's new? Okay. And the alternative is what's new? What's new?
Just me, here in the cloud. How can I help you?
Just me, here in the cloud. What can I help you? This is her version. What's new? It's like a status update. Life. It's like life update. Jadi biar tidak membosan, what's new? Nothing new. Kalau tidak ada yang baru ya, nothing new. Everything is right. What's new? Itu tanya apa? Ada yang baru enggak? Ada apa ini? Ya apa. Nah, orang Surabaya bilang gitu. Ya apa. Orang Sengaja enggak? Okay. What's new? I never feel better. Jadi ada juga yang jawab seperti itu. Jadi there are so many ways to say how are you? And I'm fine, thanks. What's new? What do you up to? Ini mirip-mirip ya. What do you up to? What do you up to? What do you up to? Let's see Google version. Hi Google, what do you up to?
Just making sure I have loads of jokes and facts up my sleeve. Just ask if you fancy hearing one.
Just make sure I have a lot of jokes. Okay.
Oh, okay.
What's up to? What do you up to? Jadi ini adalah sama ya, tanya live update. Jadi status terakhir bagaimana? Ini kalau ketemu orang jangan how are you terus ya. What do you up to itu kalau how are you sebenarnya kita tidak berharap mendapat jawaban sebenarnya. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? Great. How are you? Good. Kalau what do you up to? Ini lebih sapaan yang lebih ada unsur apa ya? Tanya iya apa kan gitu ya. Kalau orang Surabaya paling jawabannya pancet. SSDD. Same shit day to day. Okay, sometimes we copy from the movie. If you ever see the movie Dreamcatcher, pernah lihat film Dreamcatcher? If his friend asks, what do you up to? SSDD. Same shit day to day. Okay. Atau lebih mendalam lagi, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Gimana perasaanmu? Are you alright? Ini juga bisa sapaan ya, tergantung situasi sebenarnya. Ada juga kadang-kadang hanya untuk kesopanan. Are you alright? Are you alright? Are you right? Jadi tergantung intonasi juga ya. Are you alright? Itu kelihatan kayak loh, kenapa ini? Kan gitu, ada apa ya? Ada apa? Kalau are you right? Are you right? Kadang-kadang yes I'm right. Kadang-kadang hanya I hope you doing right. I hope you doing right. I'm right. Itu jawabannya ya. Are you right? Ini salah satu alternatif. Oh, yang terkenal sekarang adalah hey dude, what's up? Hey guys, what up? Hi. Hi guys. What's up? Atau hey guys, what's up? Atau cukup what's up? What's up? Kalau kita tanya Google, hi Google, what's up?
I've been brushing up on my proverbs, idioms, and mindfulness tips. Let me know if you want me to share anything with you.
I've been brushing up on my proverb.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Sometimes Google don't understand what we say. Okay, it's okay. Thank you anyway.
You're very welcome.
You're very welcome. So it's kalau kita tidak punya kalau kita sedang belajar bahasa Inggris dan beralasan tidak punya partner untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di zaman now ini tidak beralasan ya. Kita selalu punya Google di samping kita, and it's fun sometimes asking something silly. Kadang-kadang menyenangkan juga untuk menanyakan sesuatu yang agak bodoh kadang-kadang. Like this. Hi Google, are you male or female?
Saya tidak mengerti.
She don't understand. Kamu laki-laki apa perempuan? Saya tidak mengerti jawabnya. Okay, let's find another question. Hi Google, how old are you?
Well, I've heard that laughing makes you young, and I love jokes, but I also love facts. I'm not sure what that says about my age.
Well, I have heard that laughing makes me... Well, I heard that laughing makes you young. Ya, saya dengar tertawa itu membuatmu muda. Dia menjawabnya Google. Ya, kalau ditanya pertanyaan yang sama, if you ask the same question to Google, Google always find another alternative. If you say like this, I have already asked how are you. Saya sudah tanya how are you di Google, dan sekarang saya tanyakan lagi ya, how old are you? Pertanyaan sama, coba jawabannya masih sama enggak? Hi Google, how old are you?
I was launched in 2016, so I'm still fairly young.
Oke, kali ini dia menjawab dengan benar. I was launched in 2016. Launch itu diluncurkan. I was launched in 2016. Dia diluncurkan tahun 2016. So I'm still fairly young. So I'm still fairly young. Okay, what is the message that I want to tell you? Apa pesan yang ingin saya sampaikan? Use Google to improve your language. Gunakan Google untuk mengembangkan language. And set, maybe this I set my assistant in UK. I want to learn. I want to make myself British. I want to learn British more than American. So I said it in UK. But if you want to set it in American English, that's your decision. It's okay. jadi ini saya setting agar suaranya British, dan kita juga bisa belajar pronunciation. Ya, kita lebih baik fokus ke pronunciation dulu daripada ke grammar, karena kita akan kelihatan lebih bisa bahasa Inggris kalau pronunciation-nya benar, walaupun saya masih kacau pronunciation-nya. That's why I learn from Google. Itu sebabnya saya belajar dari Google to pronounce better. Okay, this is the formal, the casual way to say how are you. What about the formal way? Formal. If we want to say how are you in formal way, we used to say how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Ini bukan pertanyaan sebenarnya, hanya konfirmasi, hanya menghormati, just for make us look like, more polite. Ini digunakan agar kita itu kelihatan sopan. How do you do? Jawabannya sama. How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Sambil shake hand, bersalaman. How do you do? How do you do? Let us Google, how do you do? Hi Google, how do you do?
Not too bad. Can I help you with anything?
Okay, next time.
Here's a matching video.
Ooh, he showed me his video. She showed me a video. Okay, how do you do? Di sini dijawab apa tadi? Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Bisa jawab dengan how do you do. Tapi kalau menjawab alternatif lain ada not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Jadi kita tidak hanya bisa menggunakan how are you, but we have many ways to greeting. Ya, instead of just how are you. Jadi kita tidak dalam greeting tidak harus how are you, good morning, good afternoon. There is so many ways for greeting. If you have many different ways, jika kamu memiliki cara-cara yang banyak dalam to say how are you or another occasion atau kesempatan yang lainnya, maksudnya bukan hanya saat menyapa. Jadi saat kita menyebut sesuatu itu, misalnya kita selama ini mengenal bahasa Inggris makan, cuman makan gitu aja ya. Sebenarnya kalau kita cari alternatifnya banyak juga di Google, ya. Jadi banyak sinonim-sinonim, banyak kata-kata yang bisa kita temukan di Google yang kapan-kapan kita akan membahas itu juga, yang bisa kita gunakan agar kita ngomong itu lebih variasi dan tidak boring, tidak membosankan. Oke, what's next? How do you do? Are you well? Itu boleh juga kita gunakan. Are you well? Are you well? Ya. How's things coming along? Itu juga bisa kita gunakan. How's things? How is things coming along? Ini kayak progress, nanyakan progress. How's things coming along? Jadi bagaimana things itu kan sesuatu. Bagaimana sesuatu? Jadi atau cukup how's things itu boleh. Jadi itu juga coba kita tanya lagi. Are you well?
Happy as a bear in the woods.
Happy as a bear in the woods. That's very, very good alternative. Happy as a bear in the wood. Jadi ini alternatif ya. Jadi kayak kita bisa juga dengan menggunakan analogi, ya. Are you well? Apakah kamu baik-baik? Atau daripada sekedar apa kabar? Kita bisa menggunakan happy as a bear in the wood. Bahagia seperti beruang di hutan. Ya, beruang kalau sudah di hutan itu bahagia karena itu adalah rumahnya. Ya, bayangkan kalau hutan itu hanya sekedar di kebun binatang. We can imagine that it is unpleasant place. Itu adalah tempat yang tidak menyenangkan. Sudah di jeruji, ya ditonton banyak orang lagi. It's awful. Itu sangat buruk. Jadi Are you well? Alternatifnya adalah happy as a bird in the wood. And there is so many other alternative. Use your creativity. Ada banyak sekali alternatifnya. Like a bird sky in the fly in the sky. Seperti burung yang terbang di angkasa itu boleh juga ya. Are you well? Like a bird fly in the sky. Jadi banyak. I'm happy. I'm very excited. So many ways to say fine, thank you. Yes, this is why I make this video. Ini kenapa saya bikin video ini. Okay, I think it's enough for today. This is my daily English. Thank you for your attention, and we will meet again next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.